Right?
The children of the corn.
No, this is the not that.
It feels like at my mom's house when I had to go through the corn.
It's a corn now. Yes. Kapag now, dire.
No, keepers,
Hey.
keepers.
Here, here. Let's go. Look. Jeepers is here.
Ew.
Where is it? You want to get the corn?
No, no, no. You got what happened because it's a soft place. Everybody does this one. Thank you.
I really want him to come up here.
No,
Where are we going? Where's
oh my God.
How do you take a picture of him for people in there,
Mang-harvest sa the red corn?
Wait.
Wait,
Harvest me, mang-harvest.
Anna,
Wait, ready? Pause. Look, something.
wait.